All right, so in this one, we're going to learn about cell coloring and text coloring. Text coloring changes the color of your text, and cell coloring changes the color of your cells. So we're going to start with the text color. We're going to select the heading right here. Then we're going to go to the Home menu tab. We're going to go to the font section, and we're going to use these two right here. The one on the right with the letter A is for font, and the one on the left with the paint can is for the cell. So we're going to use this letter A. Now you want to select this triangle on the right side of A, and that's a drop down for the text coloring. Now black is the automatic color for your data, but you can also pick any of these ones, and as you hover you can actually see what colors they are. And I'm actually going to choose this dark orange right here, like so. Did I click that? Yep. And there you go. So that's how you do text coloring. The next one is cell coloring, and I want to change the color of these headings right here. So I'll go ahead and select them. Then here on the right, I want to select this triangle, and we can actually just select any color we want. Now let's say the color I want in particular isn't actually here. What I can do is I can click on this more colors, and that's going to bring up this little dialog window if I bring this to the right. And there's two ways to select a color. One is you can pick one from this palette right here, and whatever you set will actually display here on the bottom. The other one, which is custom, is a little bit more fancy. You can go and pick any color in here. Then using this slider on the right, you can change how dark it is. So if I just use this, and as a kid, I probably spent hours and hours just trying to find the right color. Okay, and for those of you who are super fancy, maybe you've done some HTML programming or web development, or you're familiar with color coding, you can also use this, the red, green, blue mixtures right here, and you can add red, green, and blue, and then you can customize it from there. So once you have a color, let's pick, I want it to fill with kind of a lightish blue. Let's go here. And that one's good, and we press OK, and there we have it. Now when you create a custom color, it actually becomes available here, as you can see in recent colors. If it's a particular color that you like and you want to keep, make sure you keep that red, green, blue mixtures. If I go ahead in here, if you want to save it, just save the values in here, and it's much easier to come back, type in those values, and then you get that same color. Okay, so that's it. So I hope you enjoyed, and see you at the next video.